We have had so many business owners come to us and they've had Profit First set up for their business, and we start looking at their books and realize it's probably not the best system for them. So here's why we don't love Profit First and what you should do instead. As business owners, we know that you are busy, and having a simple system for your finances is the most beneficial. Now, we don't want to take it to the extreme and have only one bank account, because that creates confusion. You don't know what goes where, you're not saving for taxes. Instead, we propose a 4-account banking system. The first account is your main checking account. This is where money is flowing into from your revenue and where expenses are going out of. The next account is going to be your tax savings account. So every month your bookkeeping is done, you know what you've profited, and you're going to transfer 25% of that profit into that separate tax savings account. This is going to give you peace of mind during tax season, and you're not going to have any surprises. Now, the third account you're going to want to have is your emergency fund. We aim to have a 3 to 6 month of expenses in that emergency fund. Now, I'm not saying you need to have that all at once. We work up to it, save a little bit each month, and get to that point. The last account is my favorite, the fun fund. So this is where you're gonna save for investments you wanna make, retreats you wanna go on. This could even be something where at the end of the year, it's all saved up and you decide to give yourself a bonus. Hello, vacation. One bonus account you could have if you want to is a payroll account. So this is where you transfer a certain amount of money each month. And so you know that it's set aside for payroll. And then when payroll comes, it comes directly out of that account. This is really beneficial when you have a large payroll amount, so it's set aside and you don't have to worry about mentally keeping track of that money that's going to come out of your main checking account. This last one is not a bank account, however, it's really important, so it gets an honorable mention. We're gonna talk about credit cards. Having a business credit card can help you earn rewards, which is really beneficial. However, you wanna make sure that you're paying it off in full each month and not carrying a balance, and therefore not paying interest. Once you set up the accounts, the first thing you're going to want to do is set a time on your calendar each month to meet with your finances. There will probably be an adjustment period as you get used to this, but it's important to have a consistent schedule and a consistent meeting in order to make managing your finances easy and effective, just like this system. Okay, so let's get into why we don't love Profit First. We're all about prioritizing profit. We love profit here. However, with Profit First, it can get very complicated. There's a lot of accounts, and we've seen that business owners just generally do really well with it, and then it falls to the wayside because it takes too much time to manage. So there you have it, the 4 essential accounts we recommend: your operating account, your tax account, your emergency fund, your fun fund, and a bonus, your payroll account. I hope this helps you as you're managing your finances and setting up your bank accounts. If you have any questions, please reach out and let us know. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more financial tips on your business journey.